Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to add someone to a Telegram group. I want to just tap on my Telegram application and I want to just tap to the group chat simply and simply just get in the username, and here is the option of add members. So I want to just tap on it. So here there are two types to add someone on Telegram group. Number one is that you will just add from your contacts list, and second is that you will just have to find someone's their username whatever he has, and you will be just simply selected and just tap on it to done. And you will also invite to a group via link. I will just tap on it. You will just copy these links and you will be just share on the WhatsApp, on the social media applications where get audience to click it and just add it in this Telegram group. So in this way you will just have to add someone to a Telegram group. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.